What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler. Behind me is the sandstorm and the sandworm, but today's about the sandstorm. Today we have our first DIY install, but before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's roll the intro. Alright, so just a refresher. In the first video of the Bronco, I said I didn't order this, so I didn't pick out any of the packages or anything. I like the color, the specs. I didn't even look at the options or anything that came with it. I just pulled off the lot, read the window sticker when I got home to figure out what the options actually were. And so one of the options that was missing was the rubber floor liners, like what the Canyon came with. And we needed those. With hitting trails, getting mud, grime, dirt, rocks, everything in there, we definitely needed some rubber mats. So Lasfit came in clutch. They sent out some, and these are laser cut to fit your make and model. So we got some for the Bronco, and we're about to put those in and see how they look. All right, so here we have the driver one. You pull out the carpet ones. Obviously I'll have to vacuum that out. I'll do that another time. And then you just slide these right in. They snap into place. Yep, okay. And as you can see, that's what they look like. Laser cut, totally covers all the carpet and everything, so you don't have to worry about any grime or mud getting into the carpet or water. And it has these cool tire tracks on it, which I think is pretty unique. So let's go ahead and install the other ones, and then I'll show you what they all kind of look like at the end. I'm curious to see if the big one is just one big long one. I mean the back one. All right, and there we have it. There's the passenger side. It goes all the way up to the plastic door sill. It goes all the way up the lip under the seat, all the way up under there. And then the back seat is one big piece and goes quite a bit up under here, so you don't have to worry about anything under there. Covers your whole center console area right there. Super good quality, super thick rubber. They're not going anywhere, not sliding around, and I recommend these just like I do in the Canyon. You can pull them out and hose them off whenever they get muddy and dirty. But yeah, definitely recommend those. I'll link the Lasfit stuff below. Definitely recommend getting you some rubber liners. If I'm breathing heavy, it's because I'm 90% sure I re-broke my ribs that I broke last year mountain biking, so struggling today. But yeah, easy install. That's the first DIY. Obviously we'll have some light bars in the future, but that's neither here nor there. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.